Going to my grandparents' cottage is the best part of summer. Bumps and scrapes are just part of having fun, and Grandma always has a Band-Aid in the first aid kit. But are they prepared for a real emergency? Like sudden cardiac arrest? Be prepared. Have an AED at your home or cottage. Every second matters when a sudden cardiac arrest strikes. AEDs are safe and easy to use. Be the reason for the next great save. Oh, Papa.
When sudden cardiac arrest strikes, an AED is needed within 10 minutes. Be prepared. Don't be caught without one. Have an AED close by and learn how to use it. Contact Action First Aid today.